Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and as you can see that the chart looks pretty simple, pretty beautiful and decent, and I have just got a single line drawn here on the chart, and if you have been trading for some time, then you can easily recognize this line as a resistance for the market. Okay, so let's do the analysis first. Let's try to understand the what is going on in the chart of GBP JPY, then we'll be jumping to the strategy. Okay, so this is the 4 hour chart of GBPJPY, and if we look at the trend of the market here, then it is pretty clear to us that this market is in downtrend right now. Because you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, okay, market was facing resistance from this trend line or selling pressure from above, or whenever we get a scenario like this when market struggles to go up, then it is pretty clear to us that it is a downtrend market, because market is constantly forming higher lows here, which means that market is unable to cross the previous highs. Clear? So this market is in downtrend, and following the thumb rule of the market, or the basic rule of the market, which says that follow the trend. Trend is your friend, trend is your best friend, trend is your soulmate, blah blah blah. Okay, following the thumb rule, which says trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for shorting or selling opportunities. And as you can clearly see that this market is in downtrend, so considering the trend of the market, we should mainly look for selling opportunities, because this is a seller's market. But there are certain things in the chart of GBP JPY that you must understand pretty well. First and foremost, though this market is in downtrend, but you must look at this price recovers. In fact, I have already discussed in my earlier videos as well, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then you must know these things also, because see, understanding the market psychology is the key factor here. Okay, so see, whenever market is going down here, okay, whenever market is going down or facing selling pressure, there was also a sharp recovery. You can see that whenever market fell, and market quickly recovered as well, which clearly signifies, okay, try to understand the market psychology here, which clearly signifies that market has got some buyers in it. Yes, the market, okay, this the chart may be giving us the direction that market is moving towards the downside, but we cannot deny the fact that buyers are also present in the market, and as a result they are not allowing the market to go down that easily. So whenever market was facing selling pressure, severe selling pressure, there was a quick recovery. So we cannot deny their presence on the chart here. And on the other hand, if we go to the weekly chart, here, then we can easily see that this market is an uptrend. This market is an uptrend, and most importantly, you can see that previous week market has formed a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern with price rejection from below. Before that also, when market tested this level, there was some severe price rejection from below. Try to understand the market psychology here, which means that buyers are there in the market, and they are not in the mood to, they're not what I'm saying, they are not in the mood seeing the market going down, because see, overall this market is an uptrend. In the higher time frame, this market is an uptrend, which means that the big boys, the big players are still bullish. They are very much bullish on the chart of GBPJPY. As a result, whenever market is seeing some selling pressure, there was a sharp recovery immediately. Therefore, what should be our strategy? Okay, before jumping to the strategy, let me take you to the Forex sentiment meter once. This is the Forex sentiment meter, my dear friends. You'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashazarika.com under Forex 101 section. The Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 69% retail traders have taken short position and 30%, only 30% retail traders are long, which means that 69% traders are thinking that market will be going down and only 30% traders are thinking that market will be going up. This market is in downtrend, so retail traders are thinking that market will be going down. But we cannot deny the fact that 90% retail traders lose money in the market. This is a hard fact. 90% retail traders lose money because the main reason is that retail traders fail to understand the emotion of the market. Okay, so therefore, my dear friend, you also must be very careful, otherwise you'll also fall in the same category. Okay, and recently I have also launched a Pro Trader membership program for only $15 per month, where I'll be sharing regular market analysis. I'll be sharing regular reports on the market so that you do not miss the best opportunities on the market. If you want to download the sample here, you can just click on the button and a sample will come out and you'll see what kind of report I'll be sharing with you. Anyways, so retail traders are mainly short in this market. Okay, but we have seen on the weekly chart that market looks extremely bullish. Okay, and in this chart also you can see that market has formed a lower high here. So therefore, what should be our strategy? So previously when we started the video, things were quite simple, but right now you can see that things have become a little bit complicated. Do not worry. Okay, don't be worried. Let me tell you what should be a strategy. First and foremost, you can see that right now market is just standing at a resistance here. Okay, again, try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand the market emotion here. See here, previously when market reached the resistance, market immediately came down. Again tried to go up, again market immediately came down. But here you can see that market is standing at a resistance for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candles. One candle is equal to 4 hours. 4 hours into 6. 24 hours. Previously market was just reversing after 1 or 2 candles, but right now after 24 hours also, market is not in the mood of going down. Try to understand the market psychology here, which means that buyers are still present in the market and they are very much willing. They are in the mood of taking the market upward. As a result, though market is standing at a resistance, still market is not going down. Are you getting my point? So you should not short the market here. In case after some time market sees some heavy selling pressure and market crosses this level 152.50 level, then you can think about shorting the market. Okay, then you can think about shorting the market. If you see a big red candle, then you'll get a confirmation that okay, buyers have failed to take the market upward. They have surrendered, and again market is seeing selling pressure. Then you can short the market below 152.50 level. But right now market is still giving a tough fight. Tough fight. Okay, so therefore this is not the right position to short the market. So what we should do right now? You should wait for the market. There is a good possibility that market will break this resistance. There is a good possibility that market will break the resistance, and in case market breaks the resistance, wait for some time. Wait for some time means wait for at least 4 to 6 hours. Okay, wait for at least 4 to 6 hours and just try to read the market emotion. Just try to understand the body language of the market. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably above this trend line, then you will get the confirmation that yes, the breakout is a successful one. There is no problem in the market. Then you can go for buy, but you must wait for 4 to 6 hours because market has been respecting this trend line as a resistance for a long time. Therefore confirmation is important. So short the market below this level 152.50 level and go for long if market crosses this trend line and stays above the trend line for 4 to 6 hours. Clear? Right now market is standing at a resistance, but still it is not a good position to short the market, and I have already explained. So hopefully you've understood everything. So this is it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.